So I have my screwdriver here wrapped with wire and a clip on the end here. I'm going to clamp it to this metal. It's pretty nasty, so I'm going to scratch it a bit, make sure it got in. So it's clamped there. Now up under this cap. Ooh. That was pretty nasty, wasn't it?
My hiccups are shaking the screen.
Mm-hmm.
Wow, that's a lot of spark.
That was a pretty big spark, wasn't it? I think it jumped pretty bad. Alright.
I can't hold my arm up for this long. I don't want you to do this.
I think it jumped pretty good. So, now we'll wait a little bit.
Why wait?
Because it might build back up another charge. Okay, let's try it again. Alright. Okay.